Okay, so let's go over some different dumbbells here. We got the adjustable ones, the Core Home Fitness from 5 to 50. We got a 65-pound Troy barbell, 12-sided rubber encased dumbbell with the knurled handle. We got the Rep Fitness, 30 pounds, also a knurled straight bar handle. And then we have a regular hex dumbbell, 20 pounds, the contoured grip here, and very weak knurling. The spacing with the hands, we got 5 inches here. We got plenty of room. We got 5.5 inches on the Troy barbell here, on the heavier ones, 5.5, 5, and a little bit less than 5. Okay, pros and cons. Obviously, space saver and money saver right here, especially if you are in the garage like me, or you just have it in your bedroom or office, whatever. You definitely want to favor these. However, the downside are that it doesn't feel like an actual dumbbell. Also, the weights are loose when you do movements. The plates here are loose. So, if you have room for dumbbells, what should you choose? Obviously, if price is very important to you, you want to go with the $1 a pound Academy, and they still sell them for $1 a pound. It's just, you know, they don't really have a lot in stock at the moment, but if they do, you can, you know, go there and grab a couple. You got to make several trips though. I think they only have like a limit of 2 per customer. The Rep Fitness, if you want to spend a little bit more. Very nice straight bar, knurled all the way through. It's 34 millimeters. It's real thick. This one is actually thicker than here. This is 32 millimeter. This particular quality, the rubber encased here, falls right below the urethane ones. This one here is 350, obviously for the pair. Changing the grip and the handle, super easy. We got 30, 40, and 50, which will get stuck in the cradle. Another good reason why you probably want to stand for these so you don't have to do that all the time. Here you drop these and it lands on the edge. They'll bounce around and fly around a little bit. So I like the 12-sided one a lot. It's secure on the floor, yet you can roll them if you need to grab them from, especially the heavier weights, right? You can grab them, roll them on the floor to wherever you need them, and start your lifting. Obviously you can roll these as well, just not as easy. So heavier weights, love these. Obviously if you got the money to spend on the urethane ones, great, go for it. Let's see how Rep Fitness packaged their dumbbell. I get this about a week after I ordered them. And this pair, these should be 22.5 because they were the only ones in stock. Okay, so this looks pretty good. There we go. Very nice. Looks really good. So even though the box was a little bit beat up, this was fine on the inside. Now on this 30-pound set here, the box that it came in, it looked like it literally looked like Ace Ventura delivered that box. It was completely beat up, and also there's some rough marks around the edges. So I wrote Rep an email. I haven't heard back from them, but we'll see what they say. Hopefully just a little bit of credit, you know, just happy to have some dumbbells, right? But when you get new stuff, you always want to make sure it looks new. Got some weird smudge on here. Not really sure what that is, but I mean, so they're not perfect, but they're ready to go. You gotta love this knurling. Definitely prefer the straight handle over the contoured one. So hey, it's a personal preference. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you get yourself some dumbbells, whether it's the adjustable ones or the hex. All good stuff, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time.